Good morning, student. This is chapter 4 statistical distribution of system of particle. Now we have to start the first article in this chapter. First article is specification of the state of the system. In this article, we have to study the specification of the state of the system. First one is in thermodynamics, we have studied macroscopic properties of matter such as pressure, volume, and temperature. These are called as macroscopic values. Macroscopic values means large values we have to see in our eyes. Okay. Then second one, a thermodynamic system which consists of number of molecules in the order of Avogadro's number. Is called as macroscopic system. The measurable parameters are called as thermodynamic parameters or macroscopic variables. Then third one is the law of thermodynamics describe macroscopic systems and do not give information about behavior of atoms and molecules which are present in that. Then fourth one is a gas is a simple system of particle in the form of molecules. The temperature of a gas is its macroscopic properties while mass, energy and macroscopic molecular properties. Then fifth one is the thermodynamic state of a gas is specified by two variables or coordinates. First one is pressure and second one is volume. Then sixth point, similarly the mechanical state of a system at any instant is specified by two variables. First one is momentum and second one is position. Then last one is consider a classical one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. If m is the energy, sorry, m is the mass of the oscillator and p is the momentum, its momentum, then its total energy will be E is equal to p square upon 2m plus half kx square. E means total energy at p square upon 2m is the kinetic energy and half kx is the potential energy. Okay. Thus the total energy of the oscillator is specified by two coordinates p and x. First one is position space. The definition of this position space is the three-dimensional space in which the location of a particle is completely given by the three position coordinates is known as position space. Consider a system of particles distributed in a given volume V. If the system is static, all particles will remain fixed at various points in space. The position of any particle in the three-dimensional space is given by three Cartesian coordinates, that is x, y and z. A small element in this position space is denoted by volume dV and is expressed as dV is equal to dx, dy and dz. These are the three Cartesian coordinates x, y and z. Then second one is momentum space. If the system is dynamic, its particle moves with various velocities and hence possesses momenta. A complete specification of such a system can be described in terms of position coordinates only. Okay, these are three position coordinates x, y, and z. We need three components of momentum and three coordinates of positions to specify the state of the particle. The position particles is completely given by the three position coordinates x, y, and z. In three-dimensional position space, the momentum of particle is completely specified by three mutually perpendicular momentum coordinates, that is px, py and pz. In three-dimensional space known as momentum space, and the small volume element in momentum space is given by dpq. Cube means there are three-dimensional space. is equal to dpx, dpy and dpz. This is the momentum space.